So here's Skyla. She's a rescue from Thailand and now living in the UK in Birmingham. So Skyla's a double amputee. She's got a walking wheels wheelchair, which is a medium. Hello. Hello, baby. So how to take care of a double amputee? It's kind of straightforward. It's just like looking after any other dog, really. Apart from you're going to have to change your house, which you're going to have to put ramps, dog ramps. You're going to have to get secure gates. You're going to have fencing, fake grass. You pretty much have to convert your whole house. But it's worth it. So Skyla walks on her two front legs. When I got her, she obviously learnt this in Thailand. So the charity that rescued her was a charity called Friends of Rescue, and they're a Thailand company, and Save Souls, another charity based in the UK in London. And obviously we get help from Winston Wheels charity, which is based here in the UK. They loan out free strollers, wheelchairs for people who can't afford them, and they give a big support. You get lots of support from the Facebook community. So if you've got a disabled dog, probably the best place to get information is to talk to other people. Is probably Facebook groups. But obviously, if you really want to learn about disabled dogs, you'd come to the YouTube channels. Obviously, our last YouTube channel was the famous Jean Lewis dog wheelchair channel, Paws Beyond Bounds. So we've had quite a few different channels based on dogs and wheelchairs, but after all what we've done with all the other channels, we've learnt now. So we've got a new one, which is this one, Doggy on Wheels TV. Hey, so Skyla, you're going to show everyone around. Come on then. It's amazing how she balances on them two front legs. You know, some people's reactions are mixed. Some think it's horrible. She should be put down. But you'll get 1 out of 10. Look, she's totally happy. So yeah, if anyone's out there who's got a double amputee or a rescue dog, well, there you go. I mean, this dog was a rescue from the streets of Thailand. You'd expect her to be aggressive or anything, and she's absolutely fantastic. There's nothing wrong with, you know. I would highly recommend a rescue dog, you know. So it's just a quick video today, more of an introduction to Skyla. The Skyla's off now into a safe zone. So this is a safe zone, so no other dogs can come over. So goodbye from us. Make us having a good time there with the ball. And we'll see you in the next one.